Hi everyone, and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to make a difference. You know, I want to talk about emotions at the moment because everyone loves emotions. And, you know, during COVID-19, we've all felt and experienced some different emotions that we perhaps normally wouldn't on a daily basis. So I hope everyone is doing well. But what I've found is that, you know, sound creates emotion too. So have a look at what are the sounds that are coming out, you know, when we speak, that tone, our pace. That can also set us up, even our breathing can set us up to create the emotion. And some of those softer sounds actually are a little bit healthier for us. So for instance, that compassion, over that anger. But you know what I really would love you to think to make a difference is, are there 3 emotions that you generally feel each day at work? You might have 20 or 30 different ones, but perhaps there are 3 reoccurring ones. So just think for a moment, what are those 3 emotions that might occur for you? And if one of them is frustration, which 80% of people generally have when I ask this question, then just think about, to make a difference, what it is that is frustrating you, and can you change it? Can you make a difference? And if not, can you think differently about it? Because frustration isn't a great emotion, and let's face it, we feel that quite a few times every day. So if you can help deal with that emotion, that would be amazing. And I think we could make a difference to our week, getting rid of some frustrations, especially in COVID-19. Wishing you well, and speak soon. Bye for now.